It's taken me 48 years to realize that being super attractive is a lot more than just physical appearance. It's actually much more than the way that you look. You've got to be a good person, number one. If you're not a good person, nothing else matters. You also need to be a man of integrity, have good character, have a good moral compass. Nobody respects somebody who doesn't take care of themselves. And so you got to take care of your body. You don't need to have six-pack abs, but don't be sloppy. You also can't have sloppy style. You got to dress well. What well means to me is probably different than what it means to you, but pay attention to your outfits and dress with intention and integrity, which is something else that you need. Your grooming also needs to be straight. You can't be a sloppy savage. You got to have good breath. Smile often. Make sure that your breath doesn't stink. Speaking of stinking, your body shouldn't stink. You need to smell amazing. You need to also make people feel good about themselves. And that's the whole secret to being wildly attractive. It's not about you being good looking. It's about the way that you make other people feel. And so be interested. Be interested in them. Ask them questions, give them compliments, and be somebody that truly wants to be around other people. But most importantly, be a man that is confident. And one of the ways that you're going to do that is help other people. It is one of the secrets to being truly attractive. We view people that are helping others as super attractive. Gentlemen, that's it. And the last thing I want you to know is I think you are amazing.